Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be a really soft brown smoky eye. Nothing too crazy with the wing, and of course just to add a bit of drama to the eyes I applied a glitter liner. And if you want to see how I did the look, then keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm applying 96 under eye concealer from Inglot all over the moving eye with a big flat brush. But of course you can use something fluffy or you can use your fingers, but I'd probably recommend the brush. And I'm just applying that evenly all over my lid just to make sure the eyeshadows have something lovely to stick onto and the pigmentation of the eyeshadows really comes through with a nice even base. Now I'm going to be taking this really nice soft peach and I'm taking that on a blending brush and I'm buffing that in through my crease. I'm slowly building up the color intensity just so I have a nice even blend when I apply all the other colors. Just really slowly build it up, picking up a little bit of color at a time and placing that in the crease, just so that the most color intensity is near the crease, and then you kind of blend it up into a softer peach. Now just to deepen up the eyes ever so slightly, I just took a slightly darker brown shade. It does have a bit of shimmer, but it blends out completely matte. And I slowly apply that into the crease just to kind of lightly define it but not add too much depth and definition into the crease. I just wanted to create a nice even kind of natural shadow in my crease. Now I'm just taking a really nudie kind of an eyeshadow and I'm placing that onto the inner part of the eye, and this will just open up the eyes ever so slightly in the inner corner. Then just to deepen up the outer corners, I'm taking this matte brown eyeshadow and I'm first of all pressing that in the outer corner, and then I'm going to be blending that in with the rest of the lid. Because this eyeshadow is quite dark and matte, I'm really taking my time with blending because I don't want to blend it out too far because I want the concentration of the depth to be more or less in the outer corner. I don't want to bring too much of that in the crease. Now just to do the wing, I just used a matte black liquid liner from Inglot and I drew a pretty standard wing liner. There's nothing special about it, it's just a regular wing liner. Do it as thick or as thin as you want, but you don't want it to go too thick because you want to still be able to see the glitter when your eyes are open. Then just to tidy up the wing a little bit more and make it nice and sharp, I just tidied it up with a flat concealer brush and a little bit of jawline. Now for the fun glittery part, I'm using a silver glitter and I'm first kind of lining the top of my liner with a latex-free lash glue. And I feel like the latex-free glue would do the best job, I think, because it gets tacky quite quickly and you don't need to really wait around for it to dry. So I'm just drawing a really nice thin line across the eyes, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an angled brush, going to dip it into the glitter, and I'm going to be pressing that right on top of the sticky base. And because the glue dries quite quickly, you won't need to wait as long and it won't go really messy. Just make sure that you're using a really fine angled brush for this. Then just for the bottom, I repeated the same process as I did on top, just to kind of smoke it out and deepen up the lower lash line. And if you want, you can put something in the waterline, but I tend to skip that step. Then just to highlight the inner corner, I'm taking 395, which is a well-loved eyeshadow by myself, and I'm placing that into the inner corner just to highlight the eyes. Then to finish off the eyes, I applied these really dramatic 79S lashes on the top lash line. And more or less, that is the look done. I really hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Bye!